Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about how to take care of your feet. Feet are often neglected, but they are an important part of our body that carries our weight all day long. Neglecting them can lead to a lot of problems like cracked heels, dry skin, and even infections. In this video, we'll be sharing some simple tips that you can follow to take good care of your feet. Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for further updates. Here are some tips. Number 1. Keep your feet clean. The first step in taking care of your feet is to keep them clean. Wash your feet regularly with soap and warm water. Make sure to clean the area between your toes as well. Dry your feet thoroughly, especially between your toes, to prevent the growth of bacteria and fungi. Number 2. Moisturize your feet. After washing your feet, make sure to moisturize them. Dry feet are prone to cracking, so it's important to keep them hydrated. Apply a good quality foot cream or lotion to your feet daily. Massaging your feet while applying the cream can also help improve blood circulation. Number 3. Trim your toenails. Trim your toenails regularly to prevent ingrown toenails and infections. Cut them straight across and avoid cutting the corners too close to the skin. If you have trouble cutting your toenails, visit a podiatrist who can help you do it safely. Number 4. Wear comfortable shoes. Wearing the right kind of shoes can make a big difference in the health of your feet. Choose shoes that fit well and provide good support. Avoid wearing high heels or shoes that are too tight, as they can cause blisters and corns. Number 5. Exfoliate your feet. Dead skin cells can accumulate on your feet and cause dryness and cracking. Regularly exfoliate your feet using a pumice stone or foot scrub to remove dead skin cells and keep your feet soft and smooth. Number 6. Soak your feet. Soaking your feet in warm water can be a great way to relax and soothe tired feet. Add some Epsom salt or essential oils to the water to enhance the experience. Soaking your feet can also help soften calluses and corns, making them easier to remove. Number 7. Wear socks. Wearing socks can help keep your feet warm and dry, especially during colder months. Choose socks made of natural materials like cotton or wool, as they can help absorb sweat and prevent bad odor. Taking care of your feet is essential for their health and overall well-being. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine to keep your feet healthy, happy, and pain-free. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.